If you're looking for a fast, reliable way to manage payroll without the hassle of complex systems, then this quick Oyster guide is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about how to manage payroll with Oyster, and by the end, you'll understand just how simple and effective this tool can be for your business. So, let's dive straight in. With Oyster, managing payroll is intuitive and seamless. Whether you're paying remote teams across different countries or managing a few local employees, Oyster takes the complexity out of the process. The platform automates everything from tax compliance to salary distribution, making sure your team gets paid accurately and on time. And if you stick around, I'll tell you how you can access this software for free with an exclusive bonus. When you start with Oyster, the first thing you'll notice is the easy setup process. You can add employees quickly by simply entering their details, including compensation, benefits, and tax information. The platform supports a wide range of currencies, and no matter where your team is located, you can pay them in their preferred currency without worrying about exchange rates or hidden fees. Oyster also takes the headache out of tax compliance. It automatically calculates tax deductions based on the employee's location and the latest tax laws, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Whether your employees are working in the US, Europe, or anywhere else, Oyster makes sure you're always in line with local regulations. One of the key features of Oyster is the Global Benefits Management System. It allows you to offer customized benefits to your employees based on their country of residence. This is especially useful if you have a distributed workforce, as you can provide benefits that align with local expectations and requirements. For instance, health insurance and retirement plans are automatically tailored to each employee's location, saving you time and resources. For team leaders and managers, Oyster provides clear and simple reporting tools. You can track payroll, benefits, and taxes at a glance, making it easy to stay on top of your business finances. You'll also get instant access to payroll data for auditing or compliance purposes, all from a single dashboard. Now, here's a little secret. Oyster isn't just about payroll. It's also about simplifying all the other administrative tasks that come with managing a global team. It helps you with onboarding, contractor payments, and even handling local labor laws. It's all integrated into one platform, which means no more juggling multiple tools or platforms to get the job done. You can also make adjustments to your employees' pay, such as issuing bonuses or retroactive payments. Oyster provides real-time updates, so everyone knows exactly what they're being paid and when. I mentioned earlier that you can use this software for free with our exclusive bonuses. If you're interested in simplifying payroll and taking the guesswork out of global compliance, you'll want to check out the link in the description below for an extended free trial to Oyster. In conclusion, managing payroll with Oyster is a game changer for businesses that want a reliable, cost-effective, and global payroll solution. If you want to streamline your payroll process and ensure tax compliance with ease, Oyster has you covered. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive offer below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.